have fun with your classmates. Now, let's go. Okay, kids, so today we will be guessing what object is this. Okay, what object is this? Ball.
No! It's an easy. What?
Yes, this is ball. Next, what is this? No, it's kind airplane. Yes, so this object is airplane. Yes, airplane.
No, it's a birdie.
Next, oh, it's our house. What?
No!
House. What again? No. What about you? This house. What? House. Yes, this object is house. Yes, this is house. Next. What is this? Yes, very good.
It's a star, teacher.
No.
Like this, yeah.
At toddlerhood, children experience rapid growth. Physically, they learn to walk, kick balls, and even scribble. Cognitively, they begin naming simple objects. They may cry when parents leave but feel happy when reunited.
Are you done, children?
Are you ready to play some games? Now, we will be guessing what is the color and shape of this. What shape is this? Color? Very good. Okay, next. What shape is this? Color? Okay, next. What shape is this? Triangle? Correct. Color? Yes, it's a yellow. Now, this one, what shape is this? It's O. It's okay. Next, what shape is this? Yes, it's right. What color?
Becomes more coordinated with the physical movements. They can already recognize shapes, numbers, and colors, while their imaginations continues to grow. Also, emotionally, preschoolers can learn how to cooperate, share toys, and use polite words such as sorry and thank you. Bye! Bye! Class, what do you see? And now we're going to solve a math problem. So 1 plus 1. For example, Bert has 1 trials, then we add 1 trials. So pinakagalito ng trials. Dito na ma-answer. Count. Okay, yes. How many trials we have?
2 trials.
Yes, that's good. Trials. Okay, next is minus. So if let's have 2 trials, then we tutulaw sa how many trials we have? Very good.
1 trial.
That's good. Yes. 1 trial. Now, where's your fingers? Raise your hand, raise your hand. How many fingers do you have? 10. So, 5 fingers plus 5 fingers. How many fingers? Count your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay!
What's the total of 5 fingers plus 5 fingers?
10.
Very good. The last one is another class addition. So, count your fingers again. Count until 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we have 1 finger, how many fingers do we have? 9. That's good. Now, class, let's do a basic English. So, repeat after me. There is a butterfly on the flower. Read it again. There is a butterfly on the flower. So today activity, we're going to draw a house. Red, borrow, solo, and safety. Now 3 hands.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. So now take your drawing.
In the primary school years, children show steady physical growth. They can skip rope, play ball, and balance better. Cognitively, they are able to solve problems and read simple lessons. Socio-emotionally, they start valuing friendship and teamwork, learning how to resolve conflicts in class.
Others explore the world, movement, and attachment.
Preschool is to find your skills, learn your imagination, and start social play.
Primary schoolers grow steadily, think logically, and value teamwork.
Each stage shows you need physical, cognitive, and social-emotional growth. Together, this stage build the foundation for a child's future. This is the journey of ourselves.